Here's our quick video that's going to show you how to replace the battery in any of these Mercedes key fobs. The process for each one of these is pretty different, and these two both take a 2025. The older style takes two of them, and the newer one takes a single 2025. And these newer style fobs both take a 2032. I've put links to both of those in the description if you need to pick some up. So this is the oldest style fob. You can tell it's the oldest because the panic button is circular and the newer ones are triangle. The process is entirely different, even though the fob look very similar. So for this one, you want to remove the mechanical key. Slide your slide right there. It might not pop out that easy, but it will come out. And then you want to take it and insert it all the way to the right. Slide that, and you can either take your finger. I like to use a screwdriver. Slide that over, and then you can use this to slide your tray out. There's your two 2025 batteries. And for the newer version, same thing. You want to take out the mechanical key. And once you have the mechanical key out, this back half will be coming out. You want to insert it right here, and that will pop up this right here. Now you have access to your battery. You can remove it right here. Take that out. Positive side facing upward for both these style fobs. Clip that back together. Insert your key. And for this one, you just want to slide the batteries out. Just like that. And then slide this tray back in like that. And you can check, make sure you got your red light there. Now for these two, we'll start with this one. Again, this takes a 2032. You can press this button and slide your mechanical key out. Now you can take your mechanical key, pry right there, and they have access to your battery. Either use your fingernail or screwdriver, a little bit easier. Pry out this back cover here. Now you have access to your battery. Pry it out with a screwdriver. Put your new one in positive side facing upward. Put this tray back in place. Put this portion in first. Give it a good squeeze. And then put your key back in. And you're all set for that one. And then lastly, for this one, you just want to press this button and slide your tray up that way. Now, you can either use your fingernail or a screwdriver and remove the little tray right here. Take your dead battery out. Make sure you place a new one, positive side facing downward. It goes like that. Push the tray in, right there, and make sure you got your red light working, and you're all set. Hope that saved you a trip to the dealership. If it did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching.